When it comes to making something big or working towards your dreams, I see 90% of the people say one thing in common, that they don't have time. People say, I have money, I have education, I have skills, I have everything what I need, but I don't have time to spend with my family. I don't have time to spend for myself. And the best part is, people say that I don't have time to have a proper sleep. Well, that's the reality, right? People have time to spend on social media for almost 3 to 4 hours or even for an entire day, but they say they don't have time to do what they have to do. We all have said such things at one point of time, and if you have not said, you're surely gonna say it at one point of time in life. We see people preparing their to-do list to make sure that they do each and everything what they have noted down. But trust me, 50% of the things what you guys noted down in a to-do list is never done on time. We keep on procrastinating it for next day. And the time when it comes for the things to actually be completed, it's almost done. You don't have the time is gone. Everybody is clear with this concept that time is important in life, and once it's gone, it's never gonna be back. But still, we see people wasting time, enjoying with their friends, partying on weekends, watching television series, social media, and so on. Remember, every person starting from the successful businessman to a poor person, everyone has only 24 hours in the day. But it's how you utilize those 24 hours determine the status of your life. Have you ever thought why are some so successful in life even though they are not so rich? It's all because they all have one thing in common, which is called as purpose, or you can also call it as a goal. Have a strong purpose in life which does not let you sit or sleep in peace for at least a second. Now you may say that, look, I have always achieved my goals, so what's next? I would say keep upgrading your goals, buddy. Keep the fire of the purpose alive in you. Lead every second of your life working towards the purpose of goal you have in your life. Steve Jobs once said that every day I ask to myself, what if I was not alive tomorrow? And that's what pushes him to do the work what he needs to finish. The moment you wake up, ask yourself, what am I going to do today? And before you go to bed, again ask yourself, how well did I utilize my 24 hours? Ask yourself if you have completed all the tasks that you have promised to yourself in the morning. And if the answer is no, then you don't have the right to sleep unless you finish it. Because time, once it's gone, it's never gonna be back.